All right, here we are, part 2. Got that stupid pulley off of the power steering pump. Now Kyle's getting ready to take his bracket off, and we're making him do it by hand today, so that way he can bust his knuckles up like the rest of us. Don't want him to be too fresh. There's 3 or 4 bolts hold that bracket on. I can't remember. What was all that? You only see 3?
Yeah, I see.
Okay. Well, you should be able to lift your bracket up. Okay.
No. There's probably some bolts in behind.
There's usually a single bolt that runs all the way through it somewhere.
There's another one right there.
There it is. Yeah, usually you're gonna find one that runs all the way through.
It's gonna be a big girl.
Big girl.
Let me see.
Could possibly be a different size.
Like a glove.
Let me see.
You can't tell. Take your socket off, run it up on the bolt.
Take that.
That'll let you know.
Yeah, it's a different size, huh? No big deal.
Boom! That's probably the one that runs all the way through.
Squeeze it all up.
Lesson 2. You learn how to take off these stupid ass clamps.
Come on. There you go. Now. That's good.
Nicely done.
Now reach up.
Only thing those are good for is trash.
Here. Let's see.
Yeah, if you can, put your chain locks down on it and kind of break it loose. That way you don't bust your knuckles up.
Also, you use a pick if you have one. If not,
Pick your damn nose. Cut that bitch off
there.
the trash.
now then.
Alright. We're basically doing this. We're going to get this water pump out the way. We got a brand new one. Making it easier for him to get some of this stuff.
Yep, that's it. That's it.
Current progress. Intake's out the way. Valve cover's out the way. We didn't bother filming that. I mean, it's just, you take the bolts out, get the hoses loose, and get them out your way. We're gonna teach them how to do the rocker arms in sequence, push rods in sequence.
Somebody dropped.
Then we'll let him get his hands down in there and fight those exhaust manifold bolts. Then we'll snatch the heads off, see what we're looking like. But we were told it had a blown head gasket. You can see the milky oil is pretty bad. But the intake gaskets were pretty shoddy as well, so could have had a problem there too. But we've already come this far. The old truck's got 200,000 miles on it, so we're gonna do it all while we're here. Hey guys, I'm off camera today. Been playing around with those big truck videos. I love big trucks. Been driving 25 years. And just, something to do, kill the time. Doesn't really cost me any money. Just enjoying throwing those on there, enjoying the music, big trucks, Jake brakes, all the smoke. Gotta love it. I made this for my son. It's just it's out here in my office right now, so can't do much filming out here, but I made him a little battle map out of some foam and some creativity, and it's kind of crazy. I'm expecting soldiers and stuff, and he throws dinosaurs in the middle of it. But anywho, so we have gotten a little bit further on the S10. I got a few clips I'm gonna add into this. We're all the way down to the heads. Got the push rods out. Started loosening up the exhaust manifolds. Realized we're gonna have to climb underneath and take the manifolds all the way off to get the clearance we need. And it's sitting on a little bit of an incline, so we're gonna wait till next weekend when we got extra ramps so we can get it leveled up and snatch those off. But it's coming along. I have been doing a little bit of tuning on my Silverado. It's running better, still not perfect, but I wouldn't be scared to drive to and from work again now.
I'm amazed that I'm still alive.